Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to pick a language, so let's select English. Where can I find it? Okay, tap OK, then tap okay, so let's speak English one more time because it don't look like English at all. Yeah, Philippines, of course. Tap next. Then you have to agree with end user license agreement, privacy policy, and that's it. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. And you can copy your apps and data from your previous device. If you want to do this, tap next. If you don't care about it, just tap don't copy and proceed. Then you can set up your date and time. Then you have to you have the Google services. I suggest you just disable them, but in any case you'll have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. What a shame. Then you can set up protection to your phone, like the pattern, PIN or password, or just skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Or just don't do it at all. Then you can sign in into your Samsung account, but if you don't have one, you can just skip this step and don't care about it much. Then you can optimize your phone automatically, or you can, like, it's for you to decide, do you want to use this feature or not, or you can just skip this step too. And all done. Your device is now ready. Okay, just a sec, it's not fully ready, and right now it's ready completely for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.